Hello everyone, today we're going to create a basic linked list properties. We're going to have data and next node, and this next node variable is going to be of type node, so the same type as the class. And then in here, what we're going to do is we're going to create our constructors. So let's start with our first constructor. Our first constructor is going to take just one argument, which is going to be the data. And once we do this, what we're going to do is we're going to make our property data, this data, assign it the data that we're providing. And after that, what we're going to do is the other property, which is next node. We're going to assign it the value of node. Okay, this is gonna be our first case when we just assign it a single piece of data. And now we're going to create another one. The other one is going to be a constructor where we're going to provide two parameters. One, of course, is going to be again the data, and the next one is going to be the next node, like this. So we're going to assign it to our properties right here, this node. Instead of node, we want to have next node. Okay, now after this, what we're going to do is we're going to override the print. Let's see, where is source? We're going to override that to a string. We select these two fields over here. We generate, and what we're going to have, let's delete this. What we're going to have is, so we're overriding this method to string just to print the linked list. Okay, so we save this and we go and we're going to test. Now that we're here in this class, what we're going to do is we're going to initialize our nodes. We have the first node, we're going to call it head. We're passing just one argument, which is of type integer, which is going to be 1, and then we're going to declare our second node. Okay, and now the next step is that we're going to make we're going to link this head with this first. Okay, how do we do that? So we type head and we go to the next node over here and we point it to the first term. And when we do this, we print head and we created our basic linked list. So the first linked list is this one, which stores the data equals to 1, and the next node is going to store data of 2, and the next node is going to have a value of node, as we can see here. Now let's do this using the second constructor, which is this one. And then how do we do this? Okay, we go to our first class, and then what we're going to do, instead of doing this, let's say that we create our first element, which is gonna be this one. And what we're going to do, we'll transfer our head over here, and then what we're going to do is when we're creating this head node, we're going to pass first term. Okay, and then once we do this, we're going to generate the same output. We save this and we print. And this is how we can create a simple linked list. All right, thank you. See you next time.